how to get a refund on Temu without returning the item. Now, first things first is it's gonna be depending between you or between both parties, like the seller and the buyer. It's gonna be depending on what they are agreed about. So, say for example, you have received an item, then that item is damaged, and then you agreed between you and the seller that you do not need to return the item, but they will give you a refund. But the very first thing, of course, that you need to understand is you need to read and understand the return and refund policy on what Timo has. But if you totally understand all those informations and you still want to get a refund without returning the item, then you can go ahead and visit their official site and go to this option right here that says support. Now, you can no longer process a refund directly from that specific order if you already received the item. So say for example, you would like to process that topic and then that option is not available on the item that you ordered. So what you want to do is to coordinate with one of the supports from Temu. So again, go to their official site, which is going to be this one right here, and then head over to support. And then from here, you just have to check for the recommended topics. But if you would like to get directly from a customer support, then there will be a three options located at the lower right portion of your screen, which is going to be messages, feedback, and top. So just tap on messages and you will have to log in from here. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll just have to explain why you'd like to get a refund without returning the item. And of course, you'll need to have a proof, a photos, or even a videos of the item that you receive. And that's it. That's the most convenient way on getting a refund on Timo without returning the item.